The great cormorant is large in size, but in the face of the sea eagle, the overlord of the skies, its struggles seem insignificant. The eagle's talons are like iron pincers. Once caught, there is almost no chance of escape. This is a contest of strength and speed, and the victor is usually the sea eagle. Even though the cormorant's companion was startled and cried out from a distance, under the sea eagle's assault, he was powerless to help. In the face of the might of this aerial overlord and its group, they now appear fragile and helpless. Sometimes life is just like this. You think you're well hidden, but don't realize that fate is opening its jaws right above your head. Tomorrow or an accident, you never know which will come first. But fate never likes to let people feel too secure. It begins. That's not the wind, it's danger. Sometimes the sea eagle's aggression isn't just about snatching food, but about driving away intruders who have trespassed into his territory. In his world, every animal within his domain is his by right, and outsiders are absolutely not allowed.